time I do, it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head?
Hey Janine, I'm taking a video with my phone. You're afraid of heights, aren't you? Admit it.
At this height, I would say that yeah, there's an issue.
You are afraid of heights. I learned something new about you. Did you know you were afraid of heights, or just found out today?
Oh, I think it's relative, you know.
Okay.
Some people are afraid of heights at a much lower level.
Why don't you walk over here? I'm going to get a picture. No, just not on the edge, just right here.
No.
I want to get the lake in the
No,
background.
you already did over there. That's fine.
With the phone, though.
No.
Well, I want to show the views up here. They're incredible. I hate to leave, it's so beautiful. He did? Janine's looking for the chipmunk.
I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out.
We're hiking up the last part of this trail, and it's super steep, and Janine is dying. How you doing, Janine?
I'm hanging in there.
You're a superstar. This is only her second hike in 20 years, and this hike is steep. Tell the camera how steep it is. Take a little break.
It's very
How many people did you pass?
a lot.
You are doing amazing. Look, this is straight up from here. What's your heart rate?
168.
Wow. It's an awesome hike. Bye. So we made it to the very top of Castle Peak, and it is an amazing view. And guess who's down here? There she is. Hey Janine, how was the hike?
It was great. It was steep. It was challenging.
Good. Challenging, but not impossible.
Not impossible. I'm glad I didn't know how challenging it was.
Yeah, you might not have signed up for it.
Right, exactly.
Tell the audience about the view.
It's gorgeous. Fantastic.
I'm going to come down from this little rock top and try to film how amazingly beautiful this is. There's 3 more outcrops, but we're not going to go over there because we're kind of tired. Our next project is to have lunch. You can see there's some other people making their way up here, but Janine did really well.
Where to go? She's asking, that's it?
This little puppy made it to the very top of the mountain.
Where's my treat?
10 months old. Very top. Unbelievable.
Let's go 5 more miles.
Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it 6 times. I wonder if it's too late.
We're at the waterfall here, and Janine is sitting by the edge. She went on strike. I don't think the camera will pick up your speaking, but yeah, she's on strike. She won't go any further. I'm going to show you kind of where we're at. Really beautiful up here by this Horsetails waterfalls. It's very windy. Janine is stuck on this rock, afraid to move. There's the waterfall. We're going straight up this rock face. Janine, how hard? It's pretty hard.
It's challenging. It's a workout. I'm at 167.
It's kind of dangerous.
Yeah.
One false step and you could break your ankle easily.
Why don't you turn around and show them the view?
I am.
Carefully.
Look at this view. We just came up this face right here. Basically the side of a mountain. Beautiful. The waterfall is right there. And we're still not at the top yet, which is way up there. There goes Janine. She's a hell of a hiker. We made it to the very top of the waterfall, Horsetails Falls. And it is, how windy is it, Janine?
It is almost gale force windy.
Yeah, you can barely stand up. And Janine is right here. Janine, why don't you walk over to just walk there so I can get you in the... There she is. And I'm going to pan up to the waterfall. We're at the very top. And we came from over this mountain over here to come down here. This is Avalanche Lake. The fall is actually right there. There's Janine. I'm not looking forward to the hike back. It's going to be pretty tough with these birds. This is where Horsetails Falls starts. We just finished the hike and we're heading home. And we're playing our hike song by Nickelback. Right, Janine?
Yes.
We always play this song when we leave. Didn't bring any wine in the car, so now we're heading to Bistro 33 to get some wine and appetizers.
Well, actually, we did accidentally bring old wine and had
old
to dump
wine.
it out. It was old.
Old, yeah, we don't want that.
No.
Only the best. Janine only gets the best.
Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me in.
We just made it to North Lake Tahoe, and we're going to do a big hike here. And this is Janine. Go ahead, Janine.
And we're starting the Ellis Peak Trail in Tahoe National Forest. And we'll come right over here to these signs that start our trail. It lets us know that Ellis Lake is 2.5 miles and Ellis Peak is all of 3 miles. And Greg says it's going to be a really easy hike.
We're going to make it in, what, an hour?
That's what you say.
Okay, let's see how it goes. Bye.
Bye.
Every memory of looking out the back door. I have a photo album spread out on my bedroom floor. It's hard to say it, time to say it.
What's going on?
We're almost to the top there of Ellis Peak. We just had our apple chips and a small break, and you know, had a butt busting segment of the trail. But now we're ready to reap the benefits of our labor
Right.
and enjoy the view at the peak.
How steep does this look?
Um,
Really steep.
yeah, it's a challenging slope. Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks like what?
I don't know, but that's going to kill us.
Upwards of 45.
Yes.
Clearly.
It's going to kill us. Alrighty. Bye.
See you
Every memory of walking out the front door. I found the photo.
Made it to the top of Ellis Peak. Now we're 30 minutes. Here's Janine. There's Lake Tahoe behind us. It's really windy. Janine, give the camera a 5. Janine made it easily. And it's pretty damn beautiful, and there's no one else up here. We got this whole place to ourselves. swam around here. See the lake and mountains all around us. Beautiful. How big a bee?
It was a big black bee. We got all kinds of flying things. Oh, a beautiful butterfly.
We're having lunch here on the top in a little
Get
special
away.
spot, and from our lunch we have an amazing view of Lake Tahoe.
Yay!
Some other people just made it up. Congratulations!
I have this bug that's fighting for my sandwich.
There's a bug fighting for Janine's
Yeah,
sandwich.
bug is challenging me for my sandwich.
Oh my God!
Yeah,
Damn.
it's interested in my sandwich.
Hey, we're heading back, and I wanted to stop and show you this beautiful ridge. We're on top of a ridge where it drops on both sides. It's really, really beautiful up here. You can see it just drops off down there. We just came from these hills up here. Still heading down the trail, and I wanted to show you how amazingly beautiful the scenery is on the way down. I bet in the summer and spring it's all full of flowers. Janine, why don't you walk and so the camera can see you here. And there she is. There she is.